Hi viewers. This YouTube channel has been created for learning maths tricks. In this video, we will be learning tricks of remembering trigonometric table. You will come to know how easy to remember this trigonometric table with ease. Normally students try to mug up or memorize this table. This might not be required. You will come to know as you will go through this video. You need to follow simple steps as shown in this video to create trigonometric table. This trick will become handy to create this table on rough page of the answer sheet whenever you appear for exam. Draw the table as shown on the screen. Enter theta symbol in the topmost left corner of the table. On the right side of the theta in the header row of the table, enter angles such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree as shown on the screen. Same way enter sine, cos and tan below theta in the first column of the table as shown on the screen. Enter the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 against sine row for each degree mentioned in the header column of the table as shown on the screen. Divide the entered numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 against sine row by number 4, for each degree mentioned in the header column of the table as shown on the screen. Dividing the entered numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 against sine row by number 4 and completing the division. For sine row and degree 0, answer of 0 divided by 4 is 0. As 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. For sine row and degree 30, 1 is not divisible by 4, hence the answer is 1 by 4. For sine row and degree 45, as 4 is divisible by 2, the answer is 1 by 2. For sine row and degree 60, 3 is not divisible by 4, hence the answer is 3 by 4. For sine row and degree 90, 4 is divisible by 4, hence the answer is 1. After proper division, you must get the result as shown on the screen against sine row for each degree mentioned in the header column of the table. Square root values under each degree header against sine row. You should get result as shown on the screen. Separately square rooting each numerator and denominator wherever required. Separately square rooting the result in sine row for each degree mentioned in the header column of the table. You should get result as shown on the screen. As you know, square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is square root of 2, square root of 3 is square root of 3, square root of 4 is 2. After properly square rooting each value under each degree header for sine row, the table will look like as shown on the screen. To find out cos for each of the degrees mentioned in the header, please arrange the number from sine row and the cos row as shown on the screen by colored arrow. You are not required to draw these arrows as they are drawn on the screen for your better understanding. In nutshell, value of sine 90 degree should be written in cos for 0 degree. Same way write the value of sine 60 degree in cos 30 degree and so on. After arranging the number as explained in earlier screen, you should get result as shown on the screen. To find out tan for each of the degrees mentioned in the header, the formula for tan is sine divided by cos. So, please divide each value of sine and cos for that degree as shown on the screen. Hence, we will be performing this step for each angle mentioned in the header row. The values in the tan row will look like this. After completing division for tan properly and knocking out the common values of the division as shown on the screen. After completing division for tan properly, you will get trigonometric table for sine, cos and tan for degree 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 mentioned in header row. For tan 90 degree, we have mentioned undefined because we cannot divide any number by 0. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have liked this video, please press like button, and if you would like to get associated with us for such kind of videos, then we recommend you to please subscribe this channel.